Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be talking about the GTC 1000 Rocket. 1000 horsepower right over here. This is all made by Brabus in Bottrop. There's technically space for 2 more people, but I don't think that I would fit in there. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today you join me right from Germany, Brabus headquarters in Bottrop. Today we will be talking about a super special car, which also the first time for me ever seeing it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Brabus GTC 1000. It's actually based on the GTS, which is actually right over here. Let me show you. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Brabus Rocket GTS. It's based on the SL63 E Performance, and as you can see, that you can already tell why it's called the GTS. It's a Grand Tourer shooting brake. That's how you can tell by the look of the rear. They've actually added a roof on a soft top base SL63, right? You know what's quite interesting? They actually have 2 of them. There's another one right next to it. It's a customer car and this is their car. Now let's get back to our car. This here being the GTC, where the C stands for Cabriolet, is quite special. The way they have actually did it, they've actually just removed the roof of the GTS. And in my opinion, this is the better looking version. Let me open up the roof for you. Watch this. As soon as you hold the unlock button on the key, wait, you need to be standing right next to the car. You can see this soft top, which is actually stock coming from Mercedes. It actually gives us a sneak preview of the interior already. I have put on a cover as it's, I need to be really careful with that. And this is how the car looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be talking about the GTC 1000 Rocket. Let's get it on. So here we go. Now we will be talking about the front and all the changes that Brabus has actually done. Let me just do this here. And you have all the headlights turned on. I really love the way this looks right now, just facing me here. Brabus has added the whole body, actually every single panel, I think, except for the door. I will be walking you through because Brabus, as soon as you get a bit closer, you can tell, fully changed the body. Now we have a full carbon fiber exterior finish. This is insane. The body is way wider in the front and the back, making this look absolutely fabulous. 1000 horsepower. Well, let me give you just a second to show you the engine bay. Here we go. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. And then we have 1000 horsepower right over here. Brabus now has officially crossed the 1000 horsepower mark with the SL63 E Performance. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is based on the 4-liter V8 by Mercedes-AMG. Brabus has decided to give us a 4.5-liter, which you can already see here by the badge. It's signed by the CTO of Brabus, Jörn Gander. We have a very special engine cover here. The engine itself gives us an output of, I think, 700, 800-ish horsepower. And then the E Performance battery, the hybrid powertrain, gives us an additional, I think, plus minus 200 horsepower, making this a 1000 horsepower beast. This is insane. It's full carbon fiber, as I've already told you. And this is how the car looks like. I am a huge fan of the way they've designed this. This is all made by Brabus in Bottrop. As you can see, the whole body engineered, designed by Brabus. The stance of this is absolutely fantastic. And the price of this one is also truly special, because the price for this one is around about €1 million in Germany. What do you guys think? All right. Now we will be talking about the rear. This is truly special. As you can already tell, the way that Brabus designed this is absolutely fantastic and really impressive. I have to tell you that the design of this one works so much better than on the shooting brake. What do you guys think? Because here Brabus is gone all in again. As I've already mentioned, all the exterior parts are made by Brabus. It's full carbon fiber, wider body, the stance, the look of it is just absolutely fantastic. Rocket 1000 GTC on the side. The color is a very nice gray tone, which works fantastic with the exposed carbon fiber. However, I have to show you a few spots where you have no exposed carbon fiber. This because of the sensors. You can see that here on the left and right side, and also at the rear. Here you can see we have no carbon fiber here. I've already seen how that looks from the actual part, and it's truly amazing and interesting. Brabus has also thought about these kind of details, as you can already tell. Also the fade is so natural, you wouldn't even tell. Look. So interesting, and then it fades again in the carbon fiber structure here. I truly love the way that Brabus has designed this. It's all made by Brabus in Bottrop, keep in mind. Just look at this now, animation and the exterior lighting. Something quite interesting on this one is the titanium exhaust, which is also illuminated, as you can see. This only shines during the night, and then we have the Brabus entry lights here, which illuminate onto the ground. And yeah, I have to say, this looks so cool. Just look at that. Exhaust setup all changed by Brabus. The sound is way more. Then we have this additional ducktail, fin, whatever, how you want to call it. This is actually functional. So we have a arrow movement right over there. As I told you, it's an E-Performance. So as soon as I unlock the car again, you have the light first. Here you can see AC charging, which is, in my opinion, not necessary, because you can, by already driving a bit fast on the Autobahn, recharge the battery so fast. This is how the car looks from the back. It's a SL specific design, you can already tell by the tail lights, but if you would cover everything else, you wouldn't even say that it's a base Mercedes car. This is what Brabus is doing now. We have the step exhaust system here. The sound is really good. It's also illuminated. Huge fan of the way they did it. And we have the soft top here, which you can open and close by just a touch of the key. The interior is also completely finished by Brabus. So let's get on and let me show you. As soon as I unlock the car, you can already see this. Ta-da! Brabus entry light, illuminated door handles here, just popping the door open. And I've just put all these covers just in case, because the full white interior is very bright interior color with the gray finish, and you can already tell why, because the gray doesn't really reflect on the windshield. It actually does just a bit, but whenever there's sun hitting on it, white will always reflect. Also here on the seats, let me just uncover them for you. Here you go. And let me just talk you through the attention of detail here. The contrast stitching, the Brabus WB on the headrest, the Rocket GTC here on the side, the masterpiece badging, the perforation, the piping, the Brabus details, even the seatbelt is truly special. Let me just open the door, make it move forward. You can see it's all finished in leather, full white finish. There's technically space for 2 more people, but I don't think that I would fit in there. And I don't even want to try, because I want to sit in the front. Yeah, and here you can see with every single Brabus masterpiece, you actually get this duffel bag, which is actually matching your interior trim. We have carbon fiber all around in the interior as well. Let me just remove all the covers here. Then you can already tell. We have all these parts, also been repainted and reinstalled, you can see, to match the overall Brabus interior touches. And I have to tell you one thing, if there's one specific thing that Brabus can do, is interiors. Wow, I love it. What do you guys think about it? Putting back the cover, because I don't want to step on that with my dirty shoes or with my jeans. Putting it on, protection matters, right? Here we go. Okay, so let's jump right inside and let me give you a closer look of the interior. Closing the door here. Because as soon as I start this one, since it's an SL63 E Performance, it will always start, in hybrid mode, I thought. Oh, we are super low on fuel, I'm just seeing that right now. Yeah, let me just give you a quick interior look around. Since we have an E Performance here, SL soft top, we can actually tilt the display, which I find quite interesting. We have a Rocket GTC writing here. Looks also fabulous, huge fan. The top is all finished in gray, so we have no reflection at all. We have no fuel, but I will try to give it a bit of revs, because this car is just coming straight from Italy. All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. We actually have fuel here, so we can just fuel it up in a second. How do you guys like the sound? Lovely. Let's jump outside and let me give you a bit more of a sound check. Are you guys ready for a sound check? 3, 2, 1, let's get it on.